In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Classroom for the very first time using our step-by-step 2025 guide. Whether you're a student getting started with online learning or a teacher organizing your virtual classroom, this guide will help you make your first steps seamless and straightforward. Let's start by navigating to the Google Classroom login page. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any that you commonly use. Type in the address bar Google Classroom Login and hit enter. What you're looking for is the official Google Classroom Login web page, so look for that in the search results. Once you find it, click on the link and it will direct you to the Google Classroom sign-in page. Once you're on the Google Classroom login page, you'll notice a sign-in button prominently displayed. It's usually located right at the center of the screen, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to start the login process. If you're already logged into a Google account on your browser, you might be redirected to the main interface of Google Classroom, but if not, you will need to log in, which brings us to the next step. Now, you'll be prompted to add your account details. Here, you'll need your Google account email address. This could be a personal Gmail account or one provided by your educational institution. If you have an email ending with something like @school.edu, that's likely it. You'll enter this email address in the space provided and click Next. If you are using your school account, it's a good idea to double check with your institution if you're unsure about the email address. If you aren't automatically given an account, you'll need to create one, which can be done easily from this page too. After entering your email, the next step is to input your password. If you've just received your login credentials from your school or organization, use the password provided. Otherwise, enter the password you've set for your Google account. Carefully type it into the password field and, when ready, click Next to proceed. Remember, your password is case sensitive and be sure to keep this information confidential. Congratulations! If everything has been entered correctly, you'll find yourself on the Google Classroom main page. Take a moment to explore. If you're a student, you might see classes you're enrolled in. For teachers, you'll have the option to create or join a class. Remember, Google Classroom is a powerful tool for organizing assignments, sharing resources, and collaborating with your classmates or students. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have full access to your Google Classroom account. Enjoy exploring all the features Google Classroom has to offer, and happy learning or teaching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more